大家星期天好，我们来看看今天的5个词。我们从简单的开始。So let's look at today's 5 words. We start from something simple. 日 sun or day. 记 speech radical. 己 as in 自己 self. 日记 It's something you keep every day. That's a diary. You write down events in your life, happy things or unhappy things. 日记 diary. 写日记 to write a diary or to keep a diary. 记日记 So you can use the 记 as the verb when you try to say to keep a diary. 记日记 Now let's move to the next. This is something you probably do every day. 洗 water on the left. 先 means first on the right. Together, 洗 to wash. Water on the left. You have 3 boxes here, like 3 mouths. And you have a wood under it. This is 澡 洗澡 Together, 洗澡 means to take a shower or to take a bath. 我早上洗澡 I'll take a shower or I take a bath in the morning. Now, let's move to the next. Fa Okay, and the second character, as in music, 音乐 音 发音 pronunciation. Okay. To create a sound, that's when you make a pronunciation. 发音我的中文发音很好 My Chinese pronunciation is very good. Next one. 正 We have 5 strokes for this character. Remember in class I mentioned Chinese people use this character to keep a record when they try to count, like the number of the participants or the number of items, because for each character you have 5 strokes. So you just need to count how many 正 you write down there to keep the number. 好 Next, 在 We learned this character as a preposition. 比如说 for example, 我在图书馆看书 I'm studying at the library. 正在 together could mean in the middle of doing something or right now you are doing something. For example, 我正在看电视 I'm watching TV. 我正在吃饭 I'm eating a meal. Now we will look at the last one for today. This word looks complicated, but if we break the characters into small pieces, they are not. Let's look at the first one. 素 So you have a roof, as we see in the character of 家. Roof on the top, and you have a person on the left, and on the right, you have the character meaning 100. When you have 100 persons living under the same roof, guess what? You live in a dorm. Okay. Now, 社, you have a person and you have a big box at the bottom. 宿舍, 宿舍 means a dorm. 好，我在宿舍吃饭. I'm eating at the dormitory. That's all for today. Happy Sunday. 星期日快乐。